Hello everyone, welcome to Tai Chi class. Let's get flowing. Take a deep breath in and out. Drive to the side and float back down. Breathe in and out. This time, bend at the elbows, gather in, and press down. Sink the chi. Breathe in and out. One step out, shoulder flip, and the arms come out in front of us. Float back down, and we're opening the door. Breathing in and out. Another arms around, out. If you're giving a big hug, one hand floats to the top and the other follows underneath and embrace the moon. Give that moon a toss. Switch your hands. Do it again. One more time. And then that big hug again. Sink the chi. And now we're going to turn to the side, pull it in, take a little step in, and take a little step out and push out. Pull in, push out. Breathe in and out. And now we're going to open, and this hand will follow all the way across to the other side. Pull it in and take that little step in, take a step out, and push out. Still breathing. Now open up again, back to the other side. Take a step in and a step out. Pull in, push out. Now this hand will drop and this hand will follow. This hand will rise on top. Take a step in as you're catching that moon. Throw your hands up over your shoulder and take a step out and and leaning down. One chops wood. Catch that moon again. Up and chop. Breathing in and out. And pull in, push out. Open, catch that moon. Throw it up over your shoulder, step out, and chop that wood. Breathing in, and out. And chop the wood. Go in, push out, open to the other side. Chop the wood one time, and then this hand will come up, and this hand will come like you're checking your pulse. Look to the other side, up and over your head. Take a little step in, and as you step out, push on out. Your floor is yours. And check your pulse. Look to the other side. And floor yours. In, push out. In, catch that moon, and let's do it again. Don't forget to breathe. Pull in, push out, open to the center, and sink the chi. Breathe in and out. And let's slide. Arms come out and back in. Breathing in and out. And take a little step in and sink down. And as the arms rise, the toe lifts up off the floor just a little bit and back down. Now as the arms rise, can you lift your toe up just a little bit more? And back down. This is the crane, the wet crane. Now see if you can get up, up, and your arms come up, over overhead, and back down. And slow, arms open, and close. And don't forget to breathe. now take a step in and sink. Lift the toe up off the ground. Back up. Breathe in and out. Up, up, overhead. And back. And now take that step in and sink. Take the step in and sink. And up, up, overhead. Back down. And to the center and sink the chin. And now come up and over that moon, up to the heart space, and release. Press it back down. Make a diamond shape with your fingers and press it out. And open the heart. And release. Up and over that moon. Press it out. And one more time. And release. Sink the chi just one time. 1 foot returns. 2 palms together and a little bow. Thank you so much for joining me. If you enjoyed this, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe and ring that bell icon so you don't miss the next class. See you next time.